Hey, if you want to create an alarm on your new Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra or Plus, here's the quickest way to do it. So first you have to open up your clock app on your Samsung device. Then once you're inside the app, make sure you're in the alarm section. Then tap the plus icon in the top right corner and now you have to create. So start by selecting the time you want the alarm to ring. After that, choose the days you want the alarm to repeat. Next, you can give your alarm a name so it's easier to recognize. You can also choose the alarm sound, pick from the built-in ringtone, or even select your music from Spotify or even from your device. And you can also turn vibration on or off and select a specific vibration pattern. Next is the snooze option where you can decide how long the snooze time will be and how many times the alarm can repeat. And there's also a create group option which lets you group multiple alarms together. Just give the group a name and save it. You can even customize the alarm background by selecting an image from your gallery. And once everything looks good, simply tap save. And that's it. Your alarm has been created successfully. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for your time.